Hi, you're at Aditi's and I welcome you again at my virtual home. So today I'll be sharing some tips and tricks that help me stay consistent and avoid distractions in my preparation phase. So whosoever is new to my channel, hi, my name is Aditi and I crack North at 7 and currently I'm waiting for my appointment letter to come, which apparently is super late. So yeah, let's get back to the video. Let's face it, preparation can be overwhelming, but what's even more overwhelming is the temptation to scroll through the social media or just watch one more video. So in today's video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks to stay away from those distractions and focus and stay consistent. And trust me, these techniques work because I have used these in 9 to 10 months of my preparatory phase. So, before getting to know the treatment of a disease, we must know the etiology or cause that is causing that disease. So, firstly, understand the root cause of your distraction. And distraction can be subjective. For some people, it might be social media scrolling, or to other, it might be a new relationship that they've come into. You have to work on that based on your cause. Personally, I used to find social media a very big distraction, so I just deactivated all my accounts on various apps. If you're too much addicted and do not want to go that far to deactivating your account, so you can just uninstall the app, for example Instagram or Facebook, to whatever you are addicted. Use it in Google or Chrome, so it won't be as convenient as using it on the app, so you'll see a significant reduction in the usage time. Number 2 is turn off your phone notifications, because it doesn't matter आप कितने ज़्यादा focused होके पढ़ रहे, पर जब भी phone की घंटी बजती है, you just get tempted to see it. So just turn it off. So number 3 is Pomodoro technique or Pomodoro technique. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I don't know if you know about this technique, but it's a great one and you have to study in slot. For example, you study for a 25-minute slot and then take a 5 minutes break. And in those 25 minutes, you have to be fully focused on whatever you're studying. Or if you have good concentration, you can go on for studying for 50 minutes and then take 10 minutes break. It's one and the same thing. It completely depends on your concentration level. Number 4 is use a timer. Guys, I cannot tell you how much of a difference a timer made in my productivity. A very dear friend of mine suggested me to use a timer while studying. मैं टाइमर हमेशा बंद कर देती थी जब भी मैं कुछ सोच भी रही होती थी पढ़ते टाइम, तो आई यूज टू स्विच ऑफ द टाइमर. Timer not only helped me to track my study time, but it also motivated me to increase it on a daily basis. Number 5 is self-talk. आई नो गाइज, जब भी हम खुद से बात करते हैं तो लोग हमें पागल बोलते हैं, बट इट रियली हेल्प्स अ लॉट. आई यूज टू गो फॉर लॉन्ग वॉक्स विद माई डॉग एंड जस्ट टॉक टू माई सेल्फ, और मन में नहीं, जोर से, talk to yourself like you're talking to someone else. It really helps align your thoughts better. I do it all the time and it's like a therapy for me now. Number 6 is reward yourself. Set small goals and then reward yourself when you achieve it. It really helps you to stay motivated and stay consistent in your studies. Number 7 is don't let failures affect you. एक टेस्ट में कम मार्क्स आए तो पढ़ना ही छोड़ देना है. नो, नेवर डू दैट. गाइस, कुछ भी आसानी से नहीं मिलता है. You'll have to work towards it and you'll have to work hard towards it. You cannot go on expecting from yourself to be number 1 from day 1, or expecting yourself to score highest marks possible since your first test. So yeah guys, that was it for the video. I hope you liked it, and please use these techniques for at least 1 week and you'll see a difference yourself. And trust me guys, I have used these techniques and they really helped me a lot. Don't let distractions hold you from achieving your goal. Every small step counts. I know from personal experience that it's easier said than done, but guys, it's worth it. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.